Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Kelly here, and I realized that on the previous video I actually didn't get to mention on what I'll be doing on this video, but that's okay because I've been getting so many questions on how to do a flower art, which is exactly what I'll be doing today with you guys. So I'll show you guys a tutorial. I'm hoping that will be more helpful and that you guys will learn a lot from this tutorial. And yeah, let's do this. Let's go. So this is my shot and I am making a flat white. Okay, cool. There you go. Let's wait for it. Okay, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Here we go, here we go. Let me just look at the timing. It's actually 15. So let me just stop it there because it's too runny. Okay, cool. Okay, so now I'm just leaving the steamer out and I'm putting my milk here just to froth the milk, of course. Like I said, it does get noisy, but we need to do this anyway. And then I'll stop it right there, and I'm going to wipe my wand, release the steamer again, and then I'll like tap my milk. So yeah, this is my shot. Okay, it's very a little bit weak here. So that's what we need. And then I grab like a very sharp like kind of weapon, and I'll wipe it, and then I'll just go like this. So I'm actually making like a flower pattern. So yes, like I said guys, it's very easy. And yeah, and I'll just take some of the coffee and I'll just put it around just to make like that nice flower. Okay, and cut. Okay guys, that was it. That was our flower art tutorial. I hope it was helpful, and yeah, see you guys next time. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you and bye.